Hi everybody and happy Monday. It's your friend Ryan Rolfe with the Dsmsold team at Keller Williams Legacy Group here in Des Moines in Central Iowa, and it is Monday once again. So it's time for another episode of Monday Market Update. Let's talk about what is happening in the real estate space and what that means for you. So one of the things I've noticed over the past couple of weeks is inventory is continuing to rise. A lot of that has to do with more homes coming on the market than those that are going pending. So it's not necessarily always that we're adding inventory, it's just that fewer homes are selling in a given week. So with that, plus any new inventory that comes on the market, it's slowly increasing our inventory. We're just under, I think 3780 was right about where we were at. Yesterday when I pulled the data, we'll likely be closer to 4,000 homes available at all price points, all locations around the metro before the end of the year. So home buyers, that definitely gives them more options. And as I mentioned really all year, if you're selling, we really need to make sure that you are preparing your home as appropriately as possible to make sure that it's competing against other homes that are in the market, because of course we need to stand out with more competition. If you had been thinking about selling during the COVID years, things were moving a lot more quickly. Maybe didn't have to do all of the prep work. However, that has definitely changed since we've gained inventory and since interest rates have gone up. So if you're thinking of selling and you've got questions about, hey, how can I make my home stand out amongst the crowd in addition to all of this other inventory that's available, well, definitely feel free to reach out. We're always happy to help with that. Another interesting factor is that with rates where they have been, I would have thought the pendings would have gone up a little bit more, and yet they haven't seemed to have caught up, I guess. Rates, if you've been following interest rates, they have come down some over the past couple of months, and with the Federal Reserve potentially increasing their rate, well, that doesn't directly impact mortgage rates. It does have an effect on them, so we may see rates even go down a little bit lower before the end of the year. Of course, time will tell on that. We are also around the time of year where inventory tends to peak and start to go down, so fewer homes come on the market as we get towards the end of the year, so inventory starts to go down a little bit. We've kind of passed when that normally happens, and inventory is continuing to go up. So we'll see what happens there. But as always, if you're looking to buy, of course, it can be a great time to buy. There's more homes available, which means more opportunity for you to find a home that could be a good fit for you and you're not having to rush into anything. And as a seller, again, as I've mentioned before, it's really about preparing your home so that you're priced appropriately, presented the best that you possibly can, and showing as strong as you can against any competition that you might have nearby. So with all of that said, let's talk about what happened this weekend. This weekend we saw 199 new homes come on the market. 118 homes went into pending or under contract status, and 89 homes sold and closed. So that's definitely, if you've been watching over the past couple of weeks, that's slowed a little bit. There will still likely be some times when that picks up, especially if interest rates do come down, if definitely a considerable amount, but if they continue to potentially get lower, that may help buyers jump back into the market and realize, hey, now is a really good time to buy because rates are going down, and they're probably not going to continue that trend for an extremely long time, right? I don't think we'll see a 3% or 4% rate anytime soon. That would be amazing if we did, and yet that's not likely to happen. So if you've got questions about what all of this means, feel free to reach out. We're always happy to answer any questions you have, whether you're looking to buy, sell, or invest in real estate, or if there's anything else we can do for you. Thanks everybody for watching, and have an amazing week. Bye.